Greetings from IDVI Capital. I am K Prabhakar, Head of Research. We have seen market making an all-time high, crossing 16,000 levels, and now everybody feels the market is very expensive. Mid-cap and small-cap have run up, but there are a lot of opportunities in the market. Maybe in the short term it might not be there, but for a long-term investor, still this market offers a great opportunity. For example, let us take Bharti Airtel. Now there is something which is happening to Vodafone Idea, which is very negative for few banks like IDFC First and Yes Bank. But the opportunity for Bharti Airtel and Reliance increases. And Bharti Airtel is a pure telecom play. So I think Bharti Airtel from here also can give us 20-25% return in next 1 to 2 years. So there are opportunities like this, and there are manifold opportunities. So let us take electric vehicle. In that, Sonacom is one stock we think can do very good due to electric vehicle. Government has come with different swaps for electric vehicle, and even registration and re-registration charges have been waived off. And FAME 2 also they have given some concession. So I think anybody who is going to be a supplier for EV vehicle is likely to benefit. In that, Sonacom and Sundaram Fasteners are two stocks which we like, and these are stocks over a period of time they will give very good results. If you see the life insurance results, the results have been slightly bad due to COVID-related death. But with almost 48 crore people vaccinated, and we are per day vaccinating almost 50 lakh people, I think very soon, more than 50-60% of our population will be vaccinated in next 3-4 months, and that will reduce the death rate. And I think life insurance, private life insurance are going to be the major beneficiary of this. With more people getting into insurance, HDFC Life, SBI Life, and ICICI Pru Life are three stocks which we like. And insurance as a sector in last 17 years have been growing at 15% CAGR. We expect that kind of growth going forward also. And there are few companies which are unique in their nature. We have SBI Cards, AMC companies like HDFC AMC, NAM India, and UTI AMC. So these are stocks for long-term investment, as mutual fund investment and our demat accounts are growing. So I think digital is the way forward. So these are companies which are long-term picks. Even in short term they can perform. Even real estate as a sector are likely to do very good. So we like stocks in reality space. Any correction is a good opportunity to buy in Oberoi, Godrej property, DLF. And solar power is something market is talking about, and green energy is something way forward. I think Tata Power and Visaka Industries are two companies to buy and hold. Tata Power order book in solar is very good, and even Visaka Industries have come with solar roofing. So these are game changer. I think these are stocks to look at for 3 to 5 years time frame. There are problems in China. They are cracking down on the tech. So that is a long-term opportunity for India. Maybe in short term, foreign funds are sellers, and due to what is happening in China, there will be a fear on emerging market. So there can be a short-term hiccup here and there. There can be correction. Any bull market can have 10 to 15% correction, but that should not worry investors, long-term investors in India. That should be looked as an opportunity, and that opportunity should be lapped up. So I think even in sugar we like Balrampur, Chini. There are many stocks which offer a lot of opportunities. So even metal stocks, if you are a short-term person, metal stocks, steel stocks in particular are not going to correct in a hurry. So I think SAIL, JSW Steel, Tata Steel, Jindal Steel, even NMDC in mining are companies where we can in next 3 to 5 months can see very good returns. So metals is a place where I don't see a correction very soon. Short-term rally is possible in these stocks. We need to be stock specific. We need to be in quality companies, and companies that are reducing debt is something we need to focus on. Thank you so much.